Hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. Today we're going to be planting some thyme, we're going to be planting some chives, and we're going to be planting some dill and some coriander and maybe some rocket. So I've got my lovely deep 2-inch module tray here. Right, so we can just start like the old fashioned dumping in. How many do I want of these? I'm thinking mouse. I'm thinking I'm going to have around about 3 of each of them. And this is just compost with my perlite. It looks really light there, but I promise you it isn't. You look, it's just the light because there's a window just here. So you've got my perlite, and I've got my kelp in there as well, which was the last of the kelp, so obviously the next one won't have kelp in it. So, oh well, push them down. I'm going to start with these. Right, so, bish bash bosh, bit of the cheaper compost. Fill this up again. Oh, getting a whole face full of dust. Get all the bits out. And then what you want to do is put your perlite really far away. Oh, that'll do. Oh, that's the one thing I hate about perlite. So, just give that a bit of a dig in. Everything's covered in dust now. There. Just get it all nice and evenly distributed. This. Okay, so first one we're going to do is some chives. Once again in little modules, and they'll just go. I'm going to put one in my windowsill, and the rest I'm going to plant out the front garden. I'm going to do, because they have lovely flowers on them. You see how they go. They fare there. Right, so you want to sow rather thinly. So thinly, in fact, that was the last one of the packet. Oh no. There you go, look at that too. Just going to pop this in the bin. It's okay because luckily I'm a hoarder. So, do you know where I got these from? You know, I got these from Savers next door to Wilko. Next door to Aldi. Yeah, and I got them in the sale. Okay, so see how many I've got here. There you go, that's a bit better, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to put 2 in each. And I'm going to put 3 in that one. Right. So I'm going to grab myself a permanent pen and a label, and I'm just going to pop on the word chives. I love herbs. Herbs, garlic, onions and ginger. Oh, this is the best. Right. The next one, I'm going to go for dill. Be careful with dill. I sowed so much dill last year. I've still got dill. But I want to do a load of pickling this year. I'm going to use the last of this dill just to make sure that I have a lifetime supply of dill. So you can see dill is little round. They kind of look like carrot seeds still. If you can see that, alright. You can see almost carrot seeds. So I'm going to put the same. Oh, 1 or 2, 3 in there. I'm just going to use the last of the seed packet. And then just like that. Don't need to water these in. What we'll do, we don't have to cover them up. We're just going to water them in. So they should be alright. Dill will have to be inside this year, I think. And once again, I'm going to put 2 inside. These ones are going to go inside on my kitchen counter, and then the rest can just fend for themselves outside. So that was dill. And it's really good with fish, dill. I like fish. I don't really eat it, but inside my house, but I do like it. Right. This is thyme. Thyme is, I love thyme. Thyme with potatoes. I have a lot of time for thyme. Now, I did do these last year as well. These are truly tiny seeds, if you see that. Absolutely microscopic. So, thinly as you can, sow the thyme seeds. But it's like carrots. Really, I should mix it with sand, but I haven't. There we go. Don't feed the mouse. Okay, so pop them in. Once again, don't really need to cover them. Just going to water them in. So, label as you go. Thyme. Helps if I spell it right, doesn't it? Wow, 2 spelling mistakes on 1 label. That's impressive. Right. My last one was coriander. I love coriander. I'm going to stick some of these out, and I'm going to hope that they're going to go to seed. Now, we are still in the latter part of their sowing season, so it should be okay. These are huge seeds, this coriander, and you probably notice them from any cooking. Whenever I make rice, I put a little, about this much actually, coriander seeds in the rice, along with a load of other stuff to make it a little bit nicer. I'm going to sow them quite thickly. I can always break them up, and then 3 in that one. So I really like the coriander seeds. I'm going to cover, just because they're huge seeds and they need a little bit of extra help working themselves down. There. Just evenly distribute that. Right, and then I'm going to write the words. Is that? Yeah, that's a complete. So, coriander. Coriander. There. The last one, I'm thinking of doing some rocket. Really enjoyed this last year, a bit of rocket. It is a bit like a lettuce, but because of the well, a stronger tasting lettuce I should say, because of the wood chip, I haven't been able to sow anything. I can't sow anything. Oh wow, 3 seeds. That was worth saving. So I have to sell it all in module trays. So let's do 1 each. Oh well. Right. They're slightly larger. Pop them like that. So they're a bit like a lettuce, them. A stronger tasting lettuce, I guess. Okay, so that's rocket. There. Now, the ones outside, they're going to be they're going to be like more for decorative and obviously eating. But the ones inside my kitchen, I'm quite savage with. I mean, I've got some coriander in the kitchen and some flat basil, and I think they actually shudder when they see me because I completely strip them every time I cook. I use absolutely every ingredient that I have. I'm also wanting to do some lemongrass, but I haven't got them yet, so I'll have to wait and see. That will be something that I'll have to bring inside because it will die in the frost. Oh, okay, it's lovely. Right, so I'll just bring it in here and have it under the lamps in the winter. Ooh. Right, so we're just watering down the dill. Watering down. Thyme always reminds me of rosemary because when I was younger my mum used to go on about how much she loved thyme that she got from our neighbour, until one day we all found out it was rosemary. So yeah, rosemary's lovely. I've got some rosemary growing over there under the lamps because I chopped it off, and I'm trying to get it a little bit nicer. Oh, let me just come out. I've done that too thinly, haven't I? So I'll show you how to do that with some hormones. So rooting hormone, and then I put them under the lamps to see how well they went. I should have done that much deeper, really. Right, you live and you learn. Okay, so that's them there. They're going to go into a cupboard until they sprout. Now, the larger seeds will sprout before the smaller seeds. But that's absolutely fine, because I'm going to take a spoon, stick them out, put them into a pot when I need to. Just going to pop them over here. And the great thing is you can just put them on top of each other because they haven't sprouted yet. So there's that one done. Right. That's enough for me now. I will see you later. Thanks for watching.